What if I tell you that success is much closer than what you think, and the secret is not a talent or a good luck? The secret is to understand the true value of time. Let me tell you how. Time is the most precious asset that we have. But the real question is this: are you going to assign a job to your time or your time to a job? To answer this question, we have to understand two things: the true value of our time and the value of clearly visualize what we really desire. In today's video, we are going to explore how to understand the true value of time, visualize clearly your dream, and the most important, break them into actionable steps. So stay with me. Imagine tomorrow morning you wake up in a 24 hours in your time bank. How you're going to spend it is crucial and the foundation of the life that you're creating. Are you going to use it meaningfully, or are you going to let distraction drain it? To understand it, you should also understand a crucial thing. Time is not what you spend, it's what you create. Here's the quick exercise. Write down entire day how you spend it. When you have the clear vision of what you do in a daily basis, that's when you can choose between saying yes or no to what is not aligned or is aligned with your true values. Now that we understand the value of time, it's important to understand the value of visualization. Visualization is a blueprint of your success. Let me give you an example. I give you a block of wood with a few tools, and I ask you to create something. Before you do it, you have to have a vision, a picture in your mind. Without that, can you create a masterpiece? No. Visualization helps you bring to picture your vision. But then it comes another crucial step. To understand that your vision is always the top of the mountain. After, when you reach to the top of the mountain, is it done? No. Your new life starts. Now start to imagine yourself at the top of the mountain. You reach to your goal. Where are you right now? What you do in a daily basis? Who you're serving? Are you happy? How you feel? Why is it important? I'll give you an example. Imagine you want to create a business. When you want to create a business, the first step you do is to understand the asset that you're going to put into this business will bring a return that you expect. What you do, you start to market it. Search in the marketing, and to understand your vision is aligned with the market. Perhaps it is, or maybe it's not. What you do, you alter it and you change it because you want to have a successful business. I'll give you another example. When I was young, I wanted to become an artist. Everyone around me told me that you can't create a financially success life with art. So the suggestion was this: become an engineer, become a lawyer, or a doctor. After reflecting, none of those three resonated with me. So I went after my passion, nutrition and mind. So I studied nutrition and positive psychology. What did this teach me? The success is not about the title. The title must be aligned with the value that you imagine for your life and your happiness. That's a true success. Now, visualizing your dream job and putting yourself in the place of success. How you feel is very important. It's crucial to understand. When you spend the asset of time, are you going to alter your vision, or that vision aligns with a daily base life that you are going to create for yourself? Every masterpiece starts with a first brush. That first brush creates a momentum. And then after that comes next and next and next. And all together create a masterpiece. Now that you have time and vision, what is very important to finally to reach to destination is the actionable step that you're taking. Break it down to actionable steps. And the first step is the most important step that you're taking. Let me tell you an example. You want to become rich, and your dream is to win a lottery. Can you just imagine it and sit back and wait for the lottery come to your door? No, you have to buy a ticket. Or you want to win a marathon. Even though you train yourself, the first step is to start running. Without running, you can't win the marathon. So it's very crucial to understand that you have the asset of time, you have the vision, and now you have to change your daily habit. Look at what you do in a daily basis. Break the success and vision that you have in a manageable steps that you're going to take day by day. Write down in the comment below what is the first step you're going to take to reach you to your goal. Remember, time is not the asset that you spend. Time is what you create. And you create your vision with the asset of time that you have. Let's make 2025 a year of growth and success. If you like this video, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.